Alrighty, hello, nail tutorial. Here is the nails. Don't tell me a damn thing. Okay, movie magic. Now we fix the cuticles slightly from the last shot you saw. We're gonna start with the foundation. I use the gelish foundation and top coat. I don't care about the paint itself, only the foundation and top coat I feel like makes a difference. And tip number 1, you want to only get it on the nail. Tip number 2, you want to cap the nail. Those are the only 2 tips I have for long-lasting polish. Alright, so 1 coat of foundation, then we're going to go straight into the clear pink, which I use the D&D brand because it's cheap. And there's me capping it. Okay, so cure it again, and then I'm going to go in with another coat of that because my nails are disgusting, and I love to have thick nails. Cure it again, and then we're gonna get one of these things. You want something pointy and something round to make the pretty flowers, and then you're gonna dollop some things on the thing because you don't want to dirty your nail polishes, and you don't want the circles to touch. Okay, so as you can see, it's cute. And you can cure it for like 15 seconds if you're too scared. But I'm just going to go and do the next one. They will bleed if you do this. I found out later, so you might want to cure it, but I didn't. And then here's the magic part. Just drag it out with the pointy part. Oh yeah, and let's talk about the fact that I'm using a seam ripper. You can use your little dotting tool or whatever, but I'm going to use a seam ripper. Dip the pointy part back in if you need to, or just drag out the original paint. Oh my god, isn't it cute? Now we're going to top it off. And you want to cap the top off too. The only one you don't want to really cap is the foundation coat. And the top I'm using is the gelish one too. I don't know if gelish is good quality. That's just what I feel. And there we are, wiping it off with the alcohol. And boom, that's our thummies. Now we're going to do the rest. And I am top coating the thumb to make sure that it doesn't get gross before we put... Okay, surprise, we're putting on jewels. And I'm top coating the thumb to make sure it doesn't get gross before we do that. Oh yes, don't you love my nail length? Me too. Oh, sneak peek of what's to come. Alright, so that's that. We're gonna cure that, and then we're gonna do the clear pink. Look, it makes such a big difference. Just look. Love a clear pink. Also, I only love a clear pink because I can't find a good, like, milky, nudie color for myself that doesn't look totally gross when I'm at work, because my hands get kind of dry and then everything's just downhill from there. So this pink, it never fails me. So now we're gonna put these white little dots everywhere too. And as you can see by the fact that it's bleeding, I didn't cure these because I'm lazy, but you should cure these in between. And then look how pretty when you drag it out. It's just so easy and cute. It looks so fancy. It looks so nice. Oh my god. The clear pink is amazing. I love the clear pink. Okay, and then I'm going to do all the other blues or whatever. For my other hand, I put 3 flowers for some reason on the pinky. And I tried to put 2 on the pinky this time. I thought this pinky would come out so cute, but it kind of failed this pinky too. But anyways, here they are! Ooh! Okay, so now the fun part. We're going to take this glue and dot it in the middle of the flowers. I was going to do every flower, but I ended up only doing like every other flower, because I was tired as heck by this point, because it takes forever to do your own nails. And then see, I have the corresponding color to each flower of the rhinestones. It's cute. And then you cure that for a minute, and then you take them out, you look at them, and then you top coat them. And there's me top coating. Do not get it in your cuticles. Like, this part's hard to do, but don't do it because that's going to ruin your little mani, okay? Now we're on our last cure. And here they are in all of their glory. I don't know if I wiped them yet. I'm pretty sure I probably did. Boom. 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 Alright guys, thank you for watching. Cleaning montage. Boom. Boom. Boom.